สวัสดีค่ะ everyone Monday new recipe if you like Thai street food and you already tried Pad Thai you probably know this dish it is stir fry mussel omelette you can find this menu in the same shop with Pad Thai in Thai we call Hoi Tod and today I will show you how to make it are you ready let's go we will start to prepare the paste to mix with flour chop the coriander roots into small pieces that will make it easier to pound. We cannot miss the garlic. We will smash it by knife and peel the skin to pound it later. After that, we are going to make a paste by pounding herbs and spices together, which are coriander roots, garlic, and white peppercorn. You will find these three ingredients in every single kitchen in Thailand. We call it 3 เกลอ It helps to make a dish smell and taste better. That's why we always use it to cook and marinate. Once the paste is done, we will move it on the side for a moment. Then start to finely chop green onion to bring it into flour as well. Now it's time to mix everything together by hand. If you have cloves, it's better. We will start to add the 3 เกลอ paste. Then add sugar, salt, and chicken powder that I already mixed. Next, we will add cold water that will make it crispier. This time, we don't need it that thick compared to last week's recipe. If you wonder why we have to use our hand to mix it, because we want flour and paste blend together and to make sure there is no small chunk of flour left. After we show that all is mixed, we are going to add mussel in the bowl and add chopped green onion, then mix it gently. This is the last step before we are going to eat. Cooking! We will turn on the gas with high heat. Add some oil. Once it's ready, add 1.5 ladle of mussel and flour, then spread it. After a few minutes, we will use a spatula to mash the middle of omelette before adding egg, then scramble it. We are going to quickly stir-fry bean sprouts with fish sauce to serve as a side dish. Looks like someone can't wait to try it. Ooh.
You have no clue, guys. When you watch the videos, it makes you hungry. But when you film the videos, you have the smells, you have everything. So.
But you cannot touch it.
But you cannot touch it until the end, yeah.
Can you give some sauce for me, please? Yep.
Oh, sorry.
The taste of flour is very, very good by the herbs and spice that I marinated.
And actually, the bean sprout, I think it's really good. This is what gives the real crunchiness because the omelette, honestly, it's not crispy at all. There is no, just on the outside, but like overall, it's not crusty.
That's why you have to eat it both.
You put it on top.
Any, but just eat in one bite. I think it's big bite for me.
Yeah.
So I give it to you.
Now, I think we have to warn them that if they like healthy food, it's maybe not the best dish for you then.
Do you like it?
I don't like it.
Why?
I love it.
Of course you should. This recipe is very easy and very delicious. Trust me, you guys have to try it.
And it's very easy to eat as well. Trust me, you should try.
Very fast. As always, if you like our video, like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe and share it to your friends, to Facebook page, to everywhere that you know.
Everywhere.
And very important.
Yeah, what's that?
What's that? chop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Thursday.
See you next Thursday.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Cheers ขอบคุณครับ
บ๊ายบาย Delicious. Trust me.
อร่อย